Good morning, Facebook. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Just gonna wait for a few people to jump on. How's everybody doing? I'm actually trying to get myself in a good mood. Want to talk to you about an opportunity. So, see if some people come on here. If not, I'm doing my live anyway. So my title is Want to Know What This Buzz is All About. I'm part of an opportunity where you earn while you learn. And yes, yesterday I did something totally amazing. I invested in myself. I upgraded to the top level. We are having a webinar tonight to discuss what this program is all about, and I'd like for you to be my guest. It's simply amazing. We have a great community, great support. Everybody is involved, helping each other. And hi, Kurt. How are you this morning? Just getting my groove on, trying to get my live done. Want as many people here as possible. I don't want them to miss out on this great opportunity. So yeah, I invested in myself yesterday. I joined at the top level and went all in because I know this business is going to take me to where I want to be, and I want to take along as many people as possible to get in on this. I'll be looking forward to seeing you tonight, Kurt. That's awesome. You're doing amazing. So yes, 7 p.m. tonight. I will link the webinar down below. And also, if you're catching this later, hashtag replay. Leave me a comment where you're tuning in from. I'd love to connect with you. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but good morning, Moho. I'm sorry, I butchered it. I'm sorry. Anyway, good morning. So yeah. This platform is simply amazing. You earn while you learn. If you're struggling on your engagement, it teaches you how to get better engagement. It's a simple, easy task-based platform that you will be able to plug into, and everything's done for you. The learning is simply amazing. And also, because I invested in myself, this platform has gave me the ability to better myself, take me out of my comfort zone doing these live videos. Yes, I don't like doing live videos, but I think I'm getting better at it, putting myself out there, and it's just simply amazing. But yeah, I'd like for you to be my guest tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link will be down below. Make sure that you bring as many people as you can. We want to have a jam-packed webinar. I believe we had over 200 members, or 200 people last week with our webinar. So yes, it is totally awesome. You know, don't hesitate. Just get involved. Just come in where you fit in. Join this amazing opportunity that Amanda has put together. Everybody's going to win with this program. So, if you'd like to come, links down below, and I will see you when you get there. So I want everybody to have an awesome day. Plug into this system. Don't hesitate, and we'll get you started. So I will see you tonight. Everybody have a great day. Bye.